Do you have any idea how much you're spending on cleaners? Probably not, right? I mean, we all buy cleaners, but don't think twice about it. A couple bucks a bottle, who really cares? Does it really matter? It matters. And do you know why it matters? Because the things that go on your skin, you actually absorb into your body. Same holds true for the cleaners that we use, for the chemicals that we use around our house. It's actually a statistic that states housekeepers, their kids are 50% more likely to have allergies and asthma. Why is that? Well, it's been linked to the use of toxic chemicals within our home. In fact, even bleach, if you actually looked at the container of bleach, it says not to be used within closed doors, to make sure that it's fully ventilated, and to be wearing essentially an N95 mask. How many people scrub their tub using bleach-filled products, having it fully? No, we don't have that capability. When you know better, you do better. And I am actually going to show you how I mix up this non-toxic, clinically proven, clean, absolutely clean cleaner that outperforms the best of the best on the market. And it is a fraction of the cost. In fact, this is the cleaner that's used in the White House, been trusted for many, many, many years, because they know the chemicals that you use around the house eventually end up in our bodies and can definitely affect our health. So let's get right to it. This is called the Basic H. It is an all-purpose cleaner. It has several different uses, including you can even wash your fruits and vegetables. Did you know that you're supposed to be washing off all the preservatives and everything? I mean, the apples look so beautiful out in the grocery store, don't they? That's because they're sprayed with things like wax and other types of preservatives. So they have all kinds of chemicals on them right when you bring them home. So make sure that you're cleaning with a fruit and veggie wash. This can be used for that. we're going to do a couple different things. We're going to mix up for cleaning, we're going to mix up for windows, and then also degreasing. So my lovely little kit here comes with this bottle. It's empty, for all-purpose cleaner. We have, this one is for windows, same cleaner by the way, and this one is the degreaser. This Basic H right here, we're gonna mix it up. Are you ready for that? Okay, so each of these squirt bottles come with directions on it. Fill the bottle with water and 1 1/4 teaspoon of Basic H. That's it, 1 1/4 teaspoon. It comes with a little dropper right here. So here is my 1 teaspoon. So 1 1/4 is going to be this. That's a half. We'll go another half. And then we're gonna go 1/4 here to a teaspoon. Right there. That's literally it. Did you see how many drops? Like drops. This is a half a teaspoon. I did 1, 2 of those, and then 1/4. And then you fill the rest with water. So what's great about this is you don't pay for water. And that's mostly what you're doing with your cleaning products, is you are paying for a ton of water. So that one is mixed and done. Next we have our window cleaner. So for the window cleaner, all you need 1 to 2 drops of Basic H. By the way, I heard that this makes the windows absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to ask my husband to use this next time he cleans our windows. He used to do that professionally. There we go. Oops, I accidentally put 3 drops in. Hopefully that's okay. And then we're gonna fill the rest with water. Simple, simple, simple. So this is our window cleaner. This is our generic cleaner. And then now we have our degreaser. So for the degreaser, this is how you mix it up. Now there are some different specifications on here. Like for instance, if I want to clean the floors, then it's a little more. You would use 1 teaspoon plus 1 gallon of water. Okay, so you can use 1 teaspoon of this Basic H in a whole gallon of water in order to clean the floors. Okay, but for the purpose of this little 16-ounce bottle, it is literally it says 1 1/2 teaspoons of Basic H. That's it. So we're gonna pop that in here. 1 1/2 teaspoons. So that would be, I fill it up to that half line 3 times. There's 1, 2, and I want to show you this. This is all I used. That's it. This little guy right here makes 48 gallons. 48 gallons of cleaner. But can you imagine how much money you're gonna save? This, I feel like it's gonna last me forever. This little bottle. It's actually quite amazing. I love this new system. And plus, especially right now, during these economic times, I mean, any little bit that you can save, the better. So let me know if you have a question about Basic H. I'm happy to send you all of the information and also all the different ways that it is used as well. I'll talk to you soon.